The Seagull. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. Doesn't matter. So he's here too. Doesn't matter. He laughed at my dreams. He didn't believe in the theatre, and little by little I stopped believing myself. I lost heart. And always the strains of love, jealousy and constant fear for the child. I became trivial and commonplace. I acted without thinking or feeling, and I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't move properly or control my voice. You can't imagine what it's like to know that you're acting badly. I am a seagull. Do you remember the seagull you shot? You left it at my feet. He came to me and said, I had an idea, a subject for a short story. A girl like yourself lives all her life on the shores of a lake. She loves the lake. Like a seagull. But one day a man comes along by chance, and because he has nothing better to do, destroys her. What was I talking about before? Yes, about acting. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress now.